Sometimes you might see some advertisement online where somebody's inviting others to learn how to trade and make money trading currency, and sometimes you hear about persons speculating on a certain currency, what it's going to be, or what the value will be in the future. All right. So, for example, suppose in January, $1 was selling for 130 Jamaican, or 130 Jamaican was equal to $1. Then in February, 135 Jamaican dollars was equal to $1. It's now February. Imagine it's now February. Somebody looks and say, you know, the Jamaican dollar is weakening, and based on what I see happening, I am going to bet that it will keep declining in March. So I expect that come March, the value is going to be about 140 Jamaican dollars. So now the person has their money in Jamaican dollars. Let's say they have 500,000 Jamaican in their account in February. All right. Now, if they keep that 500,000 in February and keep it until March, it will weaken. So they say, all right, let me change my money into US dollar now, and then come February, I will change it back into Jamaican dollar. Now, if the US is selling for 135 Jamaican dollar in February, how much money would that person get when they change it to US dollar? Alright, let me see if I can find my calculator. I have a calculator here. I have 500,000 Jamaican and I want US. Now remember, you're not going to multiply here. When you say US dollar, the figure should be smaller. You say Jamaican, you say 135. When you say US, you say 1. So you're going to be dividing. You must divide 500,000 divided by 135 equals 3703.70. So it's 3703.70. So now you have 3703.70. Let me write this 3 a bit larger. All right, $3,703.70 US dollar. That's what you have. When they change the money in February, this is what they have. All right. Now come March, they want to change back to Jamaican dollar. They have 3703.70 US dollar. Now If this is the case, then here you must multiply the 3703.7 if the US dollar is selling for 140 in March. Let me get back my calculator. So now you have 3703.7, 3703.70 multiplied by 140. Because this is US dollar, you're converting it to Jamaican dollars now. You multiply by 140 and you have 518. So now the Jamaican dollar they have is 518,518 Jamaican. So they speculated correctly, right? They were saying that the Jamaican dollar is going to continue weakening, so they will buy US, and then in March they will change back. So they started out with 500,000 and ended up with 518,518. So they got wealthier. So they made money by trading in this currency. Okay. Now, suppose this wasn't the case. Let me erase this and this as well, and say the person was sitting down speculating and wondering what's going to happen. Suppose they said that, you know, I'm going to change my Jamaican, my 500,000 to US dollar. In February they said that they're going to change their 500,000 Jamaican to US dollar because they expect that the Jamaican dollar will continue to decline. But then, suppose they were wrong this time. The Jamaican dollar strengthened and it's now selling for 125. 125. That person made a mistake. They expected the Jamaican dollar to weaken. It has strengthened. When they were expecting the Jamaican dollar to weaken, they say, no, let me not keep my money in a weakened currency. Let me keep my money in the currency that is stronger. So they changed to US dollar. But they made a mistake this time. So let's see what happened to their money in March. They have their 3703.7 US. And come March, they have to change it back to Jamaican because they need to do their business and it's in Jamaican dollar. Alright? Maybe if they didn't need to do any business in Jamaican dollar, they could still keep their money in US. The risk now is that the US dollar might weaken. But the thing is, they have to change their money now from US to Jamaican. Let's see what happened to their money. You have 1 to 125. 1 US equals 125 Jamaican. The money that they have in US dollar is 3703.70 multiplied by 3703. What am I doing? 3703.70 multiplied by 125 equals 462 962 462 962 $50 462 962. So you have 462 962. They lost because they were wrong on in their prediction. They no longer have 500,000 Jamaican. They have less than that. They now have $462,962. So the fact is, you cannot really predict what's going to happen in the future. That's why speculation and trading is risky. You might gain or you might lose. Alright? Alright. Now, we'll call it a day at this point on this video, and we'll continue looking at currency exchange in another video.